Okay, I'm in a small village near the town of Mushingonj, which is about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hour drive from Dhaka. And well, this is going to speak for itself. I should say something strange, like, or trite, like don't try this at home, or I don't know. Here we go. No teeth, right? It won't actually. Oh, that thing is not. That does not look happy. You do me a favor and just. Oh, he wants it now. Wow, now he's gone. Ooh, buddy. That is just absolutely. Is it possible to? Can I? Yeah? Okay. Probably not that happy, I don't think. That's just great. Hey, buddy. Okay, alright.
Just hold it very lightly, not very hard.
Just lightly.
ঠিক আছে
No, yeah, that's, wow.
মাতালি এইটা স্বাভাবিক তুই মাতালি মাথা না সব
মুন্সিগঞ্জ থেকে শেষ বাস করার সময়
ঢাকায় আপনার রাত 9টা পর্যন্ত
I guess she's not a fan. Alright, so we had lunch and now it's time for dessert.
হাতের তালা ভাত রে এই একজন হাতের তালা ভাত হাতের তালটা ভাত না ভাঙতাম না এই যে হাতের তালা এই যে বললাম বুঝছে না বেশি না
Yummy.
খুব একদম গলা বলে দিতে গেছে পুরো